Today we'll be making some different types of steaks. You're gonna need about an ounce of some lemon juice. That's at least a good half an ounce. Lime juice. About a half an ounce as well. And any type of seasoning that you want. I'm using this one. As much as you want. I mean, if you want more of a pungent taste, I just mix this with my fingers, and what I would recommend is having your package pre-cut open, pouring half of the mixture into each. And then I just marinate for a couple hours. So, okay, YouTube. After a few hours, get your barbecue nice and hot. I would say at least till 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit at the very minimum. And also put your sticks on. After you cook each side, I would put barbecue sauce on. I would cook them until, I would say like medium well. Check my description for those temperatures. Once these are done, take them out. Now let your steaks rest for a good 5 minutes. You can portion your steaks if you have a big steak like what I had into individual size and good